Today, I will show you how to change email address in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is I want you to open a new Chrome profile and I want you to sign into a new Chrome profile. And once you're signed in, this is how it's going to look like. Once you're done, I want you to open a new tab and type in myaccount.google.com. Once you're logged in, I want you to go to personal info. And in personal info, you're going to scroll down till you see email on the contact info, and you're going to click on that. Now, the main Google account cannot be changed. As you can see here, it says the address used to identify your Google account to you and others. You can't change this address. What you'd rather do is you'd come down, you'd set an alternate email address. And once you set that alternate email address, you can make that alternate email address your primary email address. So what you do is you click on add alternate email. Google is going to ask you to verify if it's you. You're going to input any verification that you've already inputted, and it's going to allow you to add another email. And from there, you can make that your primary email. And that's how you change email address in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.